Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Target RedCard. Secure account sign in step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and make sure your internet connection is stable. In the address bar, type target.com and press enter to go to the official Target website. Look at the top right corner of the page and click sign in. If you see multiple sign-in options, choose the option that says sign in to Target account. On the sign-in page, locate the email or phone number field. Type the email address or phone number that you use to create your Target account. Next, click into the password field. Enter your password carefully and double-check for typos. If you are on a private device, you can optionally check Remember Me to stay signed in. If you are on a public or shared device, leave Remember Me unchecked for better security. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If Target asks for a verification code, choose to receive it by text message or email. Open the text message or email, then copy the verification code exactly. Return to the Target page and paste or type the code into the verification field. Click Verify or continue to complete the secure sign-in. After signing in, open the menu or account area and select RedCard to manage your card features. If you do not see RedCard immediately, click Account, then Payments, then RedCard. To sign in directly to RedCard services, you can also visit Target.com in your browser. On the RedCard page, click Sign In and use the same Target account credentials. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your email or phone number and follow the prompts to reset your password securely. Create a strong new password that is long and unique, and avoid reusing old passwords. If you forgot your email or cannot access it, click Need Help signing in for additional recovery options. For extra protection, review your account security settings after you log in. Check your saved devices and remove any device you do not recognize. Always confirm you are on an official Target page before entering your password. Avoid signing in through unknown links, and type the website address manually when possible. When you finish, sign out if you are using a shared device to keep your account safe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.